going to Beaumont, Las Vegas, Southern Kitchen. They actually kind of invited us from Instagram, encouraging us to come and check them out since we like barbecue. So let's go in.
Texas Station.
At Texas Station.
Texas Station.
Texas Station.
So you better have good barbecue. Because I'm from Texas and we like barbecue in Texas.
I'm fat. I like barbecue.
You just like food.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's go.
That's a cow. Look at the menu. They got a barbecue board. Oh, they got a root beer on tap. Some of the specials, smoking gun Bloody Mary. That's the drink menu. Look, they really got a big red. Dessert menu. So they got the wines. Oh, they got a lot of options for whiskeys. They call it a 2-ounce pour. Everybody else called it a shot. They got draft beers. Oh, they even got their own signature brew. Pretty cool. They got bottle 2. Some cocktails. They got a hard sweet tea. Not your mama's sweet tea. And we're back to the beginning.
So far, we got the tap, we got our teas. I got a peach one.
I got a sweet tea.
And the staff is phenomenal. Really like the hostess, she's really adorable. She has the same focus as me, so kudos to Cece. Have a good taste. And our server's really nice. They're a little bit busy in here for Thursday, steady.
It's a dinner time.
It's dinner time.
Understandable.
It's very comfortable. We're both sitting on the same side of the booth, and we're larger people, so and it's comfortable. We have room for our children.
So we got open kitchen over there. That's pretty cool. Say hi. There you go. So I saw the open kitchen earlier. Really friendly staff. Even I don't know who, but the one that runs the social media was pretty cool. I messaged him earlier, sent him.
Or her,
yeah, whoever. But I put up a post earlier on our way here, and they commented on it. So that's why we're really excited to do a review here. So we're going to order some appetizers. There's one that is really interesting. It's called the chicken fried bacon, and their description is just what part of chicken fried bacon you do not understand. So we're definitely gonna get that, and then
our server's right there.
All right. Nothing happened. Barbecue sauce. Memphis. Pineapple bourbon. Piña bourbon. Carolina. Texas spicy. We leave it to the pro of pouring.
I never said I was a pro. Barbecue sauce time.
Barbecue sauce.
So, being that I make my own barbecue sauce, I'm gonna be a little judgmental. Okay, so first line we're gonna do the Texas spicy. I'm from Texas, so you know.
And I'm from spicy.
Good.
Yeah.
It's not spicy.
And then this is Carolina.
Kind of vinegary. Right? Carolina.
Vinegary.
Tastes like celery.
You're right. It's like vinegar and celery salt. If you like Bloody Mary, that's probably a
Yeah,
barbecue
all
sauce.
for Bloody Mary, yeah.
And this is the...
Something.
What was this one?
Memphis.
Memphis.
A little sweeter.
I like the Memphis.
Okay, now I gotta try this other one. I'm really excited for it. It's pineapple bourbon.
Pineapple bourbon. Has chunks of pineapple in it.
I think that makes it Texas spicy.
See it? Chunk of pineapple.
I like that one a lot.
Oh, that one's good. And you can taste the bourbon too.
It's good.
Really good.
Okay. Now
It has a kick too. I just noticed it.
or could it just be lingering from there?
Oh, that's really good. Appetizers here.
Looks really bomb. Some of it kind of looks like sushi.
I know.
So, hold it up.
This is the onion ring.
Supposed to be made with sea onions, which are so yummy.
Hand cut. And then
What I mean was, it looks like sushi to me.
there's the one that I'm kind of excited for. There's chicken fried bacon. Look how thick cut of that bacon is.
And then the doobie.
And then the doobie.
It's like a quesadilla.
It actually looks like a sushi roll.
That's what I literally said that like 5 minutes ago, or like 10 minutes ago. And this stuff looks like sushi. Stole it. Stole my line.
It's her line.
My line.
Her
I
line.
saw it first.
Whose line is it anyway?
Mine. Mine. Okay, let's try this onion ring.
Comes with a little
Chipotle ranch.
cute Chipotle ranch.
Onion ring time.
Onion ring, yes. Really good. I really like the batter. I'm usually only a fan of beer batter. Onion ring,
It's a buttermilk batter. That's probably why you like it.
this is awesome.
If you give me an onion ring, stop.
I don't like the cornmeal ones.
Great, but yeah, I want to try this bacon. It's like a big old nut of bacon. I'm gonna eat it like this first. Oh, there's like glaze and stuff. Let me just run my bacon over that glaze.
Chicken fried bacon. I think it's the same batter. This is not gonna look pretty. Oh my god. Oh, sweet lord. Right on the inside. There's a thick cut of bacon. I mean, look how juicy that is. so tender.
It's good. I ate the whole chunk in my mouth. Let's try this doobie.
Oh my god, that bacon is so good.
It's kind of like pork belly.
Time for the doobie. I don't know how should we do this.
Hi, Lou.
Hi, Lou.
How is everything
Doobie,
so far,
it's
guys?
amazing.
Really good, thanks.
Yeah. Thank you, thank you.
Take it like you can.
God, that is so good. Oh god. Finger licking good. Classy.
I keep it classy.
Main star of the show. This deserves a close-up.
I deserve a close-up. Look how cute. My beans are already... Oh, it's hot.
Beans in a can,
Classy.
pulled pork, Twinkie corn dog.
So, it's not a corn dog, it's cornbread.
Oh, cornbread. My bad.
Pickles, homemade pickles. Okay, got our food.
Got our food.
So, let's just start with my food. We'll start with the pulled pork. Ready?
Without any sauce.
So good. That's really good.
That's really good.
Pulled pork.
It's really smoky.
It's yummy. Okay, let's try the sausage. Sausage. I'll stick it on my fork.
Hot links.
It is a lot of good sausage. Do it. My ribs.
Last item.
No, we still gotta do the sides. It's the meat.
It's really falling off the
Oh,
bone.
wow. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna do a bite.
There's one bite, and it's like clean off the bone. Really tender.
Seasoned really well.
Seasoned really well.
I love ribs. I need to tell you, I can put out a wrap. Huh.
Yes. Yes, you can.
Okay.
So, those are the 3 meats that we got. Meats. Time to check out the sides.
There's beans in a can. It's so cute. It's like the cutest thing. Cutest thing. Look at that. I feel like a hobo.
The collard greens also come in a can.
I want to do the collard greens last because I can be particular. There you go. Let's try these beans. Oh, here.
Wait.
Well, I'm already feeding you, so people think I'm sweet.
Oh, that's good.
You like the beans? He's a bean snob.
Not too thick, not too thin, not too soupy, not too stewy,
Pretty bomb.
not too sweet.
They're good. I mean, it's
Perfect.
Good. You know, but we'll keep going on. They're good. Coleslaw time. Fresh coleslaw. You can tell it's not your KFC. treat yourself.
That's killing it.
It's like vinegar and creamy. There's like two different styles of coleslaw. There's a place in San Antonio that we call Bill Miller's, and they have a vinaigrette coleslaw. It's really pretty bomb. Okay, let's try this brisket mac and cheese. Show them.
Looks so good.
That looks good.
Yeah, it's the chunks of the brisket there.
God damn it. God. Pretty good.
The brisket is just like falling off.
Pretty good.
Really good.
I prefer baked macaroni and cheese. Just like Mama used to make.
It's really good.
It's not bad. Okay. Collard greens. It's made with pork belly. They look good.
I'm gonna have her taste it first. Because I'll be biased because I just love food.
I'm so picky. What the fuck? Put it down. Hot. It's hot. Touch the bottom part.
Oh.
He's all like, my gosh. Oh, see, this is what you look for. In greens, you look for water, that it looks dirty. Because that means flavor. It's not actual dirt. One time we went somewhere and the water was clear. I wasn't having that. Okay. I like how you're watching me. You already know if I don't like it, I'll just spit it out. Greens, here we go.
With pork belly. Huh? Seal of approval there.
They're pretty good.
Cheers.
I'll give it a 7 out of 10. They're great, thank you.
Really good.
They're really good. I like mine a little spicier. A little dash cayenne. You know. Oh, and look at this cute thing. This
Sweet cornbread.
It's a little vulgar. But I want to eat this on camera. Sorry, Mom. Cinnamon.
And comes with cinnamon butter. It's really,
Really
good.
good.
Oh my
Thank
god,
you.
it's amazing.
Here.
I'm gonna try it without the butter first.
The butter is good. Butter.
Really spongy, really good.
Now try with the butter. Butter.
Now with the butter. The butter is amazing.
Butter makes everything better. And look, they have these little pickles. I think they make them in here. Okay.
Really refreshing.
We're gonna finish
Awesome.
this and then we'll have dessert.
See ya.
So we're stuffed. And we have to go bags full of food. So of course we want a dessert sample for y'all. Show the first. No, show the other one first. So this right here
It's the black bottom pie.
it's under the category I like pie. So what it is, it's an Oreo crust with dark chocolate pudding and molasses with cream. No. Okay. Let me hear about your presentation. Okay, and then this one. This is a beast.
I declare that This is
A beast.
a big eclair on the name of I Declare. It's my face for scale. Look how big that is. It's like bigger than my head.
Nothing's bigger than your head.
Nope, it's bigger than my head.
It's not. It's not much bigger than your head. But okay, so
Which one do you want to start first?
let's start with the pie. Do a little bit of this cream.
Molasses with cream.
Over a chunk of this.
Oh god. I just got and went to chocolate heaven.
That's so fucking badass.
Chocolate is very rich. Really decadent.
No, let's try the other one. Come on, stop. You're gonna keep eating this pie, so
It's too late. Second bite. It's like mud pie and French silk as a baby. Oh.
I don't know how to eat it.
Here comes the yeast.
Okay, well, I wanted this side. Turn it away.
So it's these cream puffs. Slices of bananas.
I'm not gonna do this. I don't know what it's all about. And chocolate's warm. It's warm ganache. Oh. Okay, there we go.
All in one bite.
Oh, we're gonna take the whole thing? If I do, it's gonna look vulgar. There we go.
Sorry, Mom.
It's so good.
It is so good. With the crumbles of vanilla wafers.
It nails it. Oh my god.
Oh.
Alright, we're gonna enjoy our sugar coma and we'll give you our final review. Press the damn button below.
Second bite. Food coma.
That is so cool. And we have like a really good glass of real fruit. That is
No, that's not the food coma. That is the tripod. But yeah,
Yeah, all mine, ladies. Back off.
that's the sign of food coma, rather.
Anyways, overall, recommended. Hands down, yeah?
Yes, hands down recommended. Texan approved. Indonesian approved.
Nobody cares if Indonesian is approved for Texas barbecue.
Indonesian like food.
They didn't have rice though.
No, they don't. But everything was phenomenal.
Service is impeccable.
Service was
From
excellent.
the hostess to our server to people to say every time they walk by and see how we were doing. That was really nice. The refill game was pretty strong.
Yep. The cooks were awesome.
Cooks were really friendly. When we work in a restaurant, we know cooks don't be friendly.
Yeah.
Also, so the bill came out to like $96.
$96.
So we paid $120 for tips. So don't forget when you go out.
Tip your servers.
Tip your servers. All right,
All
y'all.
right. That's all from us tonight. See you again. Don't forget to click like, subscribe. We'll see you again. Bye.